What is empirical evidence, and how does science use it? Imagine trying to solve a mystery without any clues. That's like trying to understand the world without evidence. Empirical evidence is the clues that science uses to find answers. It's information gathered through direct observation, experience, or experiments. This evidence is collected using our senses, sight, hearing, touch, or tools that extend our senses, like microscopes or thermometers. It's the foundation of scientific work because it provides objective data that anyone can test and verify. In science, empirical evidence helps us check if ideas or hypotheses are true. A hypothesis is a proposed explanation for a phenomenon. For example, if you think plants grow faster with more sunlight, you test this idea by observing and measuring plant growth under different light conditions. The evidence you gather from these observations either supports or challenges your hypothesis. This process is part of the scientific method, a step-by-step way scientists investigate questions. The scientific method starts with making careful observations. Then, scientists form a hypothesis based on what they see or know. Next, they design experiments or gather more data to test the hypothesis. The data collected must be clear and measurable. Quantitative data involves numbers, like how tall a plant grows in days. Qualitative data describes qualities, like the color of the leaves or how the plant looks. Both types of evidence are important, but numbers often help in natural sciences because they are precise. Science relies on empirical evidence to keep knowledge grounded in real-world facts. It's what separates scientific claims from personal opinions or beliefs. For example, believing in something without evidence is a matter of faith. But science insists that claims must be based on observable, testable facts. As new evidence appears, scientific ideas can change or be refined. This openness to revision is a key part of scientific thinking and aligns with a worldview that values reason and evidence over faith. Empirical evidence also drives many practical advances. It helps develop new medicines, improve technology, and understand the environment better. Before a new drug is approved, it must be tested through experiments that produce empirical data. Peer review is another part of science where other experts examine the evidence and methods to make sure findings are reliable. This process keeps science honest and trustworthy. In the end, empirical evidence is what makes science a reliable way to learn about the world. It ensures that our knowledge is based on facts we can observe and test. This approach supports a worldview that values reason, critical thinking, and evidence over beliefs that cannot be tested or proven. Science's use of empirical evidence shows how we can understand the natural world through careful observation and logical analysis.